Hello and welcome to Tech channel. Today I will work on Timex watch. Let's open the box. Here the watch, very nice in unusual shaped case. It has a shape of barrel, a very nice polished case, stainless steel bracelet and clasp. So this watch has hour, minute and second hands, and also day and date calendar, and this calendar is perpetual. At this point watch is not working because battery is expired, and so I need to replace battery and also to set up the perpetual calendar. Let's take a look for watch more in details. This is nice bracelet, very flexible, clasp, and case back. Case back doesn't have model written on this watch. This watch has Timex Indigo function, which will work after battery replacement, and at 50 meters water resistant. Pretty nice watch, very classic. So let's go to work on this watch replacing battery. Okay, let's open the watch. And I need to remove this spring bar. And here is the case back. As I said, there is no model written on it. It's saying what type of cell it uses, battery, water resistance 50 meters, stainless steel back, and a link to the Timex website. M9, I don't know what is this. Also there is indication of where I should put my lever to open the case back. And here is the internals. Huge battery, a very big battery, and there is one screw to remove. And this is the spring which holds the battery, and battery Panasonic CR2412. Okay, so I bought exactly the same battery and I will put it here. And I want to see if there is any kind of reset function. Yes, I can see here is the reset. So there is the point to reset the watch. But first we need to replace battery. So battery goes back here. And now I can put this one screw to keep everything closed. Okay, we replaced the battery. Now let's see. The second hand is not moving. Let's do reset. Second hand started to move. As a first step of setting the calendar, I changed the day to today's Friday, the same way as in any other watch. Now I am starting to adjust date, month and year. First, I pull the crown to the middle position and wait. After about 10 seconds, the date moves back and forth. This indicates that the watch has entered into the setting mode. Then I rotate crown until the first one is visible in the date window, and I push the crown into its first original position. Date moves back and forth. Then I pull the crown to the middle position and rotate it until the current date 21st is visible. After that, I push crown to its original position, confirming that the date is set. Watch automatically moves the date to number 2, which is the point for setting the month. Pulling crown to the middle position and setting a month, which is January, meaning number 1. Then I confirm by pushing the crown to its original position. Watch automatically moves date to the number 3, which is the point of setting the year. As soon as 3 is indicated in the window, I pull the crown to the middle position and find the number 22nd, which is the current year. Then I confirm by pushing the crown to its original position. After that, the date changes to the current date, which is 21st. This completes the perpetual calendar setting procedure for this Timex watch. Now I can close the case, and that's all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a like. Also subscribe to my channel and leave comments if you want to tell something. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye for now.